Are you excited to know about data scientist? So this video is very helpful for you. Let's suppose that you want to transition your career into data scientist, data science, data analyst. All are the same, so I'll explain you all about data scientist. Okay, so let's start it. Just give me a second. So, as we know, data are available everywhere, and as a data scientist, first we need to gather data, collect information, transform that data, and convert data in meaningful insights. Data scientist is working in machine learning, deep learning, but if you become a data scientist, you can choose any option according to your preference. Okay, so let's talk about jobs. There are many jobs in data science: data scientist, data analyst, data engineer, machine learning engineer, artificial intelligence, ML scientist, or ML stands for machine learning, and so on. More and less everyone works in the same, but machine learning engineer and artificial intelligence is new field. Okay, so let's talk about data engineer. Just give me a second. A data engineer's job is to organize information and collect data from different sources and store it. This in itself is a very challenging job. And the second one is data analyst. Data analyst is one of the easiest jobs in tech industries, and there is a lot of competition in this field because many non-tech people get involved in this field. The most challenging task that is organizing data. Data analyst mostly creates reports and build dashboards and visualize data. I know some people are from non-tech, and I am sure you want to transition your career into this very easily. Just follow these steps. So, what is data visualization? I'll explain it. So, it's taking data and turning it into graphs and charts on anything visual that makes it easy and simple for someone, especially if there's not from a data scientist background. Especially for example, let's suppose that okay, you are running a survey and you are asking people what their favorite food is. You are going to end up with thousands of answers, and that are looking like something this, and data visualization tool converting this into this chart format. Okay, it's looking like real charts. So let's talk about data scientist. Just give me a second. It is one of the most in demand fields in tech industries. However, nowadays AI, artificial intelligence, and machine learning are also very important. Artificial intelligence and machine learning is very higher position, but data scientist is still a demanding field. First of all, for data scientist, you need to have a mastery of statistics, maths. Machine learning is used in this field. Algorithms are applied, and predictions are machine learning or artificial intelligence. Let's talk about machine learning and artificial intelligence. Here I would like to say that usually freshers cannot become ML engineer because it's very hard and tough, but if you put your effort you will be able to do it very easily. And usually they will be given an opportunity of junior data scientist, or if a company is data scientist they will be given you a junior ML engineer position. And people usually crack jobs business intelligence and data analyst. Okay, so and that wraps up today's video. It's my first video. I'm excited to start this journey with you. Since this is my first video, I would love to hear your thoughts and suggestions on. We will hit the finish line for today's video. Bye. See you soon. Jai Shree Ram.